exclusive footage on KBB TV. This is for all my fans in warm areas like Miami, Florida, right? This is for y'all, so you can see what it's like out here. All right, YouTube, check this out. This is a first right here on KBB TV. I want all my fans who have never been in the snow and the winter up north. Here's a snowstorm going on in Rochester, New York. And it's early Friday morning, just after midnight. I'm trying to bring y'all some exclusive footage of what winter is like in Rochester, New York. Everything is white, you know what I mean? Look at this. This is the sidewalk right here. We're in the street. Just enjoy the footage. It is cold out here. Yo, YouTube. Try to bring y'all some exclusive footage. You see this shit right here? You see this shit that I do for you all? You see this shit? I'm looking like one of them reporters from the Weather Channel. Check this out. I'm cold as a bitch. We walking, all right? Walk with me. Hold up. I can't see can't even see what the sidewalk at. This shit is crazy. You hear that wind? Yep, that's it. Check it out. Whew. Thank you for watching, YouTube. As always, I try to bring y'all some exclusive footage. Thank you to all the new subscribers too. Peace.